Number 4 question in labor law and social legislation in the PASPAR exam 2024. The Philippines celebrates Ninoy Aquino Day every August 21 of the year as a special non-working holiday. Tyson Plastic Company (TPC) scheduled its machine shutdown on August 21, 2024 and informed the workers that the factory will be closed. For maintenance, later, the President of the Philippines issued a proclamation number 665 moving the observance of Ninoy Aquino Day from August 21, 2024 Wednesday to August 23, 2024 Friday to promote domestic tourism in the country. The TPC announced that the machine shutdown will push through as scheduled and required the workers to report on August 23, 2024. Winslet is paid 700 pesos daily salary as a machine operator. Winslet reported for work on August 23, 2024 and claimed holiday premium pay. The TPC designed the claim and argued that Winslet already enjoyed the holiday on August 21, 2024 when the factory was closed. How much is Winslet entitled to pay for working on August 23, 2024? Explain. So answer, Winslet must be given a double pay. Every employee covered by the holiday pay rule is entitled to the minimum wage rate, daily basic wage, and COLA. This means that the employee is entitled to at least 100% of his or her minimum wage rate even if he or she did not report to work, provided he or she is present or is on leave of absence with pay on the workday immediately preceding the holiday. The following are excluded from the coverage of holiday with pay: A. Those of the government and any of the political subdivision, including government-owned and controlled corporations. B. Those of retail and service establishments regularly employing less than 10 workers. C. Domestic helpers and persons in the personal service of another. D. Managerial employees as defined in Book 3 of the Code. E. Field personnel and other employees whose time and performance are unsupervised by the employer, including those who are engaged on task and contract basis, purely commission basis, or those who are paid a fixed amount for performing work irrespective of the time consumed in the performance thereof. Section 1, Rule 4, Book 3, Rules to implement the labor code. So here we have 700 pesos times 200% equals 1,400 pesos. So that's it. That's the answer for the number 2 question in labor law and social legislation. Thank you, good day, and God bless.